Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video just earlier today on how to do this, and I made it a little more difficult than it really needs to be. You can do it a lot easier just by blending it all on the path. You'll understand here in a minute. We're going to go to Effects, go down to Blend. We're going to blend this 50 times. That's kind of what you don't know. I think we did not as many, but we're gonna go 50, and then go down here to New Path, blend a new path, and then click right here, blend along full path, and hit Apply. Now, this is the important part. You need to go to Object and break Blend Apart, go to grab it all, and then ungroup everything. Let's take our rectangle out of the way, grab it, and weld it. Then we put our rectangle back. We put both these everything in the center of the page. And like we did before, you can go to Object and break Curve Apart, and then you can move one of them out of the way, and there's your new frame. Kind of neat because you've got an outside one and an inside one that you could actually use this one too and make this one 6 inches big, and you got a totally different look. You know, where this is kind of like mountains up, this is mountains down. I mean, this is one you'd want to use, and you could use that. Let's move our rectangle out of the way and hit P, and you could use both of them in a frame. That kind of looks like a rope. Anyway, but the key is you don't know what it's going to look like when you blend, but you can always go back. Let's just do this real quick. Just backing up. And you could we did 50, let's do 40. Hit Apply, blend along full path, because the main thing you want to make sure you do is make sure you get your corners covered. And see, this isn't quite as good because our corners are different. Now there's a way around that. Let's just do this one. Let's go to Break Blend Apart. I always grab it again even though it's already picked. Group, ungroup all, get our rectangle out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this and move it out of the way. And I'm going to blend this or weld this. And see, this is what I was talking about. You get that object. Now, there's a way to fix that. You could Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. And then go in here and take away these interior lines and get a total different look. Use your Smart Fill tool. And now you've got rounded corners on the edge, kind of like we had in our very first sample. Totally different look, just by playing around with it. Kind of a cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.